how to calculate hours worked in Excel midnight spa. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a crucial skill, calculating hours worked when your shift spans past midnight. So first things first, open up your Excel. So I'll walk you through the formula. So go to the duration tab and then type in equals to. Now choose the if function and then you'll have to tap on the start of work greater than the end work and then put comma and then put the end work again plus 1 comma end work and then close the bracket and minus start work and just hit enter, and that's it. Now this will calculate those hours worked past midnight. That's it. Just use if function in Excel and then it will help you calculate everything. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.